Hey Missy, it's Scott with Impact Latent SEO. Just shooting this quick video to kind of show you what I do for clients and also, kind of giving you a background on your website as well. So in the video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks that you guys could do even in-house if you really wanted to grow your business using your website and Google business profiles. And I hope that this video is educational and beneficial for you as well. So here's your website right here. It looks very clean, professional, looks really nice. But one thing that I would really recommend for you is to add more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And those usually are in Google searches. So, like account in Utah or account in Kaysville, depending on, locations, things like that. So they usually have a service and also a location. The other thing you could do is all your images and logos, anything like that. If you save the alternate text correctly, those could be counted as, instead of download.html, it could be, account in Kaysville. Those could be counted as content because they're embedded behind the photo for you. So I did go ahead and put your website into this tool that I showed you, Missy, the Ahrefs. This will just give me your analytics and show me where you're setting. The DR is the strength, the UR is the trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want them continuously moving up while also being balanced. You're currently at 20 strength with 11 trust, and that's due to your backlinks and your referring domains. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via a clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also your location. It looks like you're being indexed for 44 keywords and you're getting roughly 18 people to your website each and every month. With it being so low, this is a third-party tool, so it could be off, but with it being so low, the website's acting a lot like a digital business card as opposed to an online lead generating tool that could produce an ROI for you. So if we look at some of the keywords that you're being indexed for, FJ and Associates, your name, there's 50 searches each and every month. You're getting 18 people to it, and you're in the #1 position. That's really good. That's about the right average, too, for percentages. You get roughly 30% for being in position #1, 15 for #2, and then roughly like 8 for position #3. But all of these other keywords here, Salt Lake City CPA firms are 70 searches a month. You're on the 5th page of Google, and you're getting 0 traffic to your website. And those are the types of buyer intent keywords that you want to be ranking for. Accounting firms in Utah, firms in Salt Lake City. They have decent volume, but the thing is you're not being found for those searches because you're not ranking for those particular keywords. So I just looked up accountant Utah, and it looks like we have quite a few ads being ran right up top here. And that's something you guys could do if you want to generate business quickly. But being in the Google business profile is really where you want to be. And it's okay that you're not here, but I would strive to get here. There's so many ways you can do that. You could start by having reviews being added. You could add your business name, address, and phone number. Make sure they're the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. And then adding branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly is really beneficial because it shows Google that you're growing your business organically. And then adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number into things like Yellow Pages and Yelp is beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more. And that's not only in your local area, but especially if you're going for a state, it'll help in all surrounding areas as well. And then being in the Google business profile will generate about 30 to 40% of your online traffic because people could just click on the website button right here. And then this is that organic section that I'm talking about. These 2 are directories. These 3 are directories up top. And then it looks like Klingler is one of your top competitors. And if you're not on the first page of Google, you're missing out on a lot of traffic because I don't know the last time you came down and hit next. But if you're not on the first page, you're missing out. And so going to their website right here, they have a click to call up top. They have about us, ways learn more, form submits, things like that. Those are all great ways to generate or to convert a customer right on top. But if you look at their website, they do have quite a bit of content on here. I wouldn't say they're up to the 1,500. So when you start to have more content with better buyer intent keywords, the authoritative backlinks and citations, you know, you're going to start to outrank your competitors here. And kind of just to show you theirs, I mean, you're higher in the strength, but you're just a little bit lower. But they have a lot more keywords that they're being in the top 3 for. And to kind of give you an example, you know, like capital gains, Utah accountant, they're the number 3rd position for it. There's 150 searches, and it's roughly 10% of that is going to their website. So those, like I said, those are the types of buyer intent keywords. And to kind of just give you an idea, you know, accountants Utah, there's 150 searches, Utah accountants 150. I mean, some of these are not going to be exact buyer intent. I didn't get all of the excludes out, but you can see there's a decent amount of volume being searched for each and every month. And so when you start to rank for these particular keywords, a percentage of the total volume is going to start going to your website instead of theirs. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Missy, I really hope that this video is beneficial. I again would appreciate to hear your feedback, and we'll talk soon. Have a great day.